Who's that battered Tom? He looks like he's got the latest scoop on this turf war.
This is the sergeant who fought tooth and claw to keep me from getting captured. Tell the king everything, every scratch, every swing of claw.
It was chaos. Two gangs tangled like fighting shadows, neither giving ground. MacDonald, ruthless and sly, brought reinforcements, thinking luck was on his side. We feared we were done for. But then, Macbeth, who earns his name every time he draws a claw. With paws smoking from the fight, he carved a path to MacDonald, unzipped him from belly to chin, and hung his collar on the fence for all to see.
Oh, my brave cousin, what a worthy cat.
But just when the alley seemed ours, a new storm struck. The Norwegian bully returned, fresh muscle and shiny gear in tow. Yet Macbeth and Banquo.
Oh, Captain, with respect, sir, I think you are a bit concussed. The Norwegian king didn't resurrect. You are confusing two events, but no worries. It has been a very long day and you deserve a rest.
Excuse my interruption, Your Majesty. I see our boss is making an appearance. Here he comes. Oh, Lennox, sir, we were wondering what had happened to you.
Don't you worry about me. I thought that I heard some dogs, so I went to sort it out. Listen to me. I'd like to relieve you of your duties tonight, and you can take the brave captain here to the hospital. I heard Ross will be here in a sec too. He was very excited with all of the news. Ross is approaching. He looks very happy and excited, all things considered.
The alley is free. Macbeth fought bravely, victory we see. Claws in the shadows, tails tucked tight. The king will cheer for our fearless knight. Dogs scattered, alleys cleared. Our feline heroes have persevered. Each paw step echoes a story told. In the moonlight, brave and bold. Newsflash, newsflash, hear the cheer. Macbeth and Banquo, the cats we revere. Newsflash, newsflash, brave and sly. Their claws have conquered, tails held high. The alley whispers of feats tonight. Cats in triumph shining bright. Every creature knows the tale of victory in the moonlight pale.
The title that Cat lost, Noble Macbeth has won.